What a way to start game 1 of the New York Knicks and Indiana Pacers Eastern Conference Finals. Kala ko tapos na eh. 2.5 minutes down, they were down 14, 15. Pero plinay ko lang yung game while I was working on something. Next thing I know, okay, 8. Wala na to. Then biglang, okay, 4. And then, fast forward to that turnaround jumper ni Tyrese Haliburton with a choke sign. As you can see in this picture right here, that's a sequel right there to to the Reggie Miller choke job sign. And kala ko kasi it might come back to bite Indiana considering na it was just for the tie, diba? And nakita ng mga players yon ng New York, they might respond and win an OT. So it would just go back to Tyrese Haliburton na mas nakakahiya kasi celebrating prematurely, parang ganon. But tinuloy lang ng Indiana. They were on a roll. And you gotta give credit to Aaron Naismith, all of the guys that did their job. Si Miles Turner for just, just being okay being in the bench. While the rest of the guys just trusting his teammates that are gonna get a job done. Also, Obi Toppin with that putback dunk na I think that gave Indiana the lead. Also a former New York Knick. And I think to top it off, Reggie Miller as the commentary. I mean, if you're a New York fan, everything went wrong for you guys today. But then again, this is game 1. The Knicks are also capable of doing the same thing that Indiana did. So, we're in for a wild ride, guys. Gagawa kami ng podcast dito on this game 1. Wala pa kasi now. I'm out for work. Gusto ko, medyo napaaga ako. So, I just wanted to make this video. And hope to see you guys there. Yung link sa YouTube ko is on the bio for NBA and Philippine basketball talk. NBA and Philippine ball in general.